Welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 251. This was the 8th of, 8th of May, 2023, a Monday. So I did exercise. I didn't get much sleep the night before, so I did exercise. I did some books. I did insurance calls, and that was pretty much it. And also worked on GoDaddy, worked on my website, getting set up, getting educated on different tasks, did IM Academy. So I'm very grateful for the people at the technical support, because I'm definitely using them, and it's a process, but perseverance is really important. Making sure that you get through, not being able to not hit a stumbling block, making sure that, hey, I'm not going to just, whatever stumbling blocks are in front of me, I'm going to push through it. It's uncomfortable. It's not always feels good, but living outside the comfort zone is where you do the most growth. So that's basically it for day 251. Let me know if you have any comments or questions. I will talk to you tomorrow.